Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva GIF. Creating animated GIF in Canva is a straightforward process that allows you to bring your designs to life with ease. Whether you are making a social media post, an email header, or a fun message, Canva provides intuitive tools. You can start with a blank canvas or choose from thousands of templates, adding your unique touch with text, images, and various graphic elements. It is a fantastic way to add dynamic flair to your digital content. Once your design elements are in place, the fun begins with animation. Simply select any element, whether it is text, an image, or a shape, and click the Animate button. Canva offers a wide range of animation styles, from subtle movements like fade to more dynamic options such as pop or pan. You can customize the direction and speed, giving you complete creative control to make your GIF truly unique and engaging for your audience. After perfecting your animated design, downloading it as a GIF is simple. Locate the Share button, typically found in the top right corner of your Canva workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Then, choose GIF as your file type. If your design has multiple pages, ensure all desired pages are selected to create a multi-frame animation. This process ensures your animated creation is ready to share across various platforms. To create truly impactful GIF, consider a few key tips. Aim for brevity. A GIF under 5 seconds often captures attention most effectively. Utilize high-contrast colors and clear, legible fonts to ensure your message is easily understood on any device. Do not be afraid to experiment with various animation combinations and timings. A well-crafted GIF can convey a message quickly and memorably, making your content stand out in a crowded digital space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.